Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine. Today I am here to teach you a poem, Bird Talk. Without delay, let us move on to the poem. This poem, Bird Talk, has 4 stanzas. Now let me read out the whole poem. Bird Talk. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Ellen Fisher. New words: beetles, sitting, wires, funny. Few points about Ellen Fisher. She was an American writer. She has written more than 100 children's books, including poetry, picture books in verse, prose about nature and America, biographies, Bible-themed books, plays, and articles for magazines and journals. In 1978, she was awarded the Second National Council of Teachers of English Award for Excellence in Poetry for Children. Her notable works: Otherwise, After a Bath, Valley of the Smallest. Before moving on to the poem, let us see the word meanings and frame sentences. Eat, to put or take food into the mouth. Sentence: I like to eat noodles. Grow, become larger or greater over a period of time. Sentence: I like to grow plants in the pot. Beetle, an insect with a hard shell. Sentence: the beetle is crawling on a leaf. Garden, a piece of land near a home where flowers and other plants are grown. Sentence: I love my garden. People, human beings making up a group. Sentence: the city is crowded with people. Wire, a piece of thin metal thread with a layer of plastic around it, used for carrying electric current. Sentence: usually birds perch on the wire. Thing, object. Sentence: things are arranged well on my table. Think, direct one's mind towards someone or something. Sentence: Neeraj is thinking about something. Talk, communicate by spoken words. Sentence: the girls are talking in the classroom. Feather, soft, light things which cover a bird's body. Sentence: feathers add beauty to the birds. Wing, in a bird, a modified forelimb that bears large feathers and is used for flying. Sentence: wings help the birds to fly. Funny, causing laughter. Sentence: the dog looks funny. Summary of the poem. The name of the poem is Bird Talk. The characters in the poem are Jay and Robin. Let us see stanza-wise explanation. Stanza 1. Bird talk. Children, observe the pictures. Garden, garden. Robin, robin. Jay, jay. Now, let me read out the lines. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. This poem is a conversation between two birds, Robin and Jay. One fine day, they were sitting in the garden and talking something. Let us see what they were talking about. Stanza 2. Feathers, feathers, people, people, robin, robin, jay, jay. Think about people the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Think about people the way they grow. Robin and Jay were discussing about people. Who are people? Men, women, children. Everyone comes under the category of people. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Here, they refer to people. People do not have feathers. People do not have feathers like birds. Stanza 3. Wire, wire, beetle, beetle, wing, wing, thing, thing. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. They refer to the people. They don't eat beetles. People won't eat beetles like birds. They don't grow wings. People don't have wings like birds. They don't like sitting on wires and things. People won't sit on wires and things like birds. Stanza 4. Funny. Funny means if something makes you to laugh, that is funny. 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 This picture makes us to laugh. That is funny. Robin. Robin. Jay. Jay. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Birds think people are funny creatures because they do not have feathers, they do not have wings, they never sit on wires and things, and they do not eat beetles. Let us see few exercises. Opposite. Sit, stand. Opposite. Grow, shrink. Contractions. A contraction is a shortened form of a word or group of words that omits certain letters or sounds. An apostrophe represents the missing letters. Aren't, or not. Don't, do not. Aren't is the contracted form of or not. Don't is the contracted form of do not. Thank you, children. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel.